Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A big update related to workflows and sending out emails through workflows, or more specifically, using email templates. So, yeah, just to get straight to the point, let's say you have some sort of a trigger, and as an action, you send out an email, right? So, send email over here. And up to this point, it was built in a way where if you select a template, right, any template that you have under email templates, you just have to, use it as is. That's it. You didn't have the ability to edit, which is the new feature, right? Now you can go in, you click on it, you can make edits to the actual email as opposed to jumping around back to email templates and then double checking or editing, whatever, right? And then coming back to workflows and adding it in. Now there's this extra flexibility. You save time. So this is I love this feature. This is something that, saves a lot of time. And it's just, yeah, the way it was built previously wasn't necessarily my favorite way of doing things. So this just, as I said before, saves a lot of time and adds in more flexibility. Definitely make sure to check it out. I know that, if you're using Funneltopia for more than a couple of days, you'll definitely use this feature. So go check it out. Let us know if you have any questions. Once you go back to the main menu, there's the, per usual, the icon at the bottom right, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. But yeah, if no more questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.